in our front, this is our 240 horsepower tractor. This tractor is tractor with cabin. Yes, I think this is AC cabin. You can see this tractor is very big, and this is our factory logo. Yes, you can see this is Shuangli logo. This is our logo, and this is tractor front cultivator. And this is our you can see this is our cabin inside sense. Yes, in cabin inside we have fans, and this also is air condition packs. Yes, and this is our spring site. You can see this is our site. This is spring site. When you sit here, you can feel very comfortable. Yes, and this is our medium, and this is our shifter. Yes, you can see these details. And this is small windows. Okay, let me see the all verses. This is our 70 horsepower tractor. Yes, SL 70 four-wheel drive tractor. And this tractor, the colors is blue. Is green. Yes, you can see this is our logo. And in tractor head, in tractor front head have two lines. This is a different model, and it also is our logos. You can see this tractor uses Yunlei engine. This is tractor engine. About our tractor engine, we have Weichai engine and Laidong and YTO engine. You can choose according your demands. And this is our tractor 3-point link. Yes, you can see this tractor 17 horsepower tractor have one group PTO, and you can install some agriculture toys in here. This is our 3-point link. You can install like a disc mover or subsoilers in here. Yes, and this tractor have This tractor is a tractor with a sunshade because the summer will arrive, so the sunshine is so strong. You can install a sun. You, hi, Pavel. Welcome our living stream. Here is Flora, and this is our factory. You can see this is our 70 horsepower tractors, yes, SL70 four-wheel drive. And this is a tractor with sunshade because the summer will arrive, so you can install a sunshade. Yes, because the sunshade is very strong and can also reduce the rain when you okay. It also is a 70 horsepower tractor. And this is our tractor texting workshops. Yes. This is our. This also is a 70 horsepower tractor, same last tractor. And this tractor, the colors is red. And this is 60 horsepower tractor. You can see this tractor, this 60 horsepower tractor compared with the 70. The 60 tractor have a little noise. Yes, because this tractor operate use because this tractor very suitable use in the garden. Yes, limit space. And you can see this is our green color tractor. Our tractor, the 50 horsepower tractor is based selling products. Yes,